So let's solve another problem on Christmas Day, because two problems is apparently too short to spend 25 hours. So let's solve question number 9 here that I found. So, oh fucking selection. Uh, so we got the integral of x cubed times natural log of x dx. So your first instinct when you see two things multiplied together, I think in most cases should be integration by parts. So if you don't know what that is, you should learn it first. But basically, if you recall the power rule, d over dx of f times g. F and g are functions of x. Let's assume that. So it's f prime g plus g prime f. I think that's the power rule. Wait, I might be wrong. Oh no. Product rule. Shit. Product rule. So u dv plus v du, right? Close enough. So if we integrate this, so integral of this whole thing right here, and the integral of this plus, so we integrate both sides with respect to dx, with respect to x. So we got this two thing cancels out, so it's f times g equals g df, so integral of g df plus integral of f dg. So you got integral of f dg equals f times g minus integral of g df. So this is integration by part. So what the fuck does this help? Why does this help us? So so we got this thing, right? So we have two thingies, right? So we have some f times another function, right? Let one function equal f, and we're finding the purpose of integration by part is to make this df so simple that you can just integrate it in one step, right? So it turns into a constant. So you just have integral of g. So that's way easier than doing the other thing where you multiply this thing by another thing and all that shenanigan. So what you're finding is finding which one in here. So we just basically fitting this thing to this thing, right? And then we have this thing we can write out. So basically we're asked that this is equal to some integral of some f functions times the derivative of some function dx. So just ignore this dx here. It doesn't, you don't have to understand, but like basically what you're trying to do is find this. Which one is f, which one is derivative of g? So there are some certain guidelines to doing so, but I honestly forgot, and this is not educational by any purpose. It's just me practicing, and you don't matter at all. So I'm just gonna say that I know that I'm gonna set u as natural log of x for some reason, because this is a simple rule then. So derivative of g, you should put like this thing you're like f is the thing you're like taking the derivative of, right? The one that you want to make it a constant, so that you only need to integrate g. So natural log x, like its derivative is gonna go like 1 over x and then like blah blah blah. It's never gonna end, right? But then like x cubed, you go, it's gonna turn to constant. You go 3x squared, and then like you go to 6x, and then it goes to 6. So you only have to do this process twice to get 6. Okay, so we know that oh shoot, I don't know what the fuck just happened. Anyways, so we know f is x cubed and dg is natural log of x. Okay, so what is df then? We're like, look at the formula. We have to find g and df. That's the thing we don't have. So df is 3x cubed squared. Shit, Natural log of x, so we have to integrate this to find g, right? Because this is the derivative of g with respect to x. So we integrate it with respect to x, and then we have oh shit, to find this you actually have to use integration by parts, but that's too long for this video. So we just know that it's a x natural log of x minus 1. Let me check again. Yep, minus x. I'm an idiot. Plus c. This is why I'm gonna fail my calc test, guys. We don't need plus c in this. This is why I'm gonna fail the calc test, because all the formulas are so hard to remember, and if I gonna derive them, it's gonna take 3 fucking years. Anyways, that's irrelevant to this. So we have this formula right here. F times g is what is f. So f is this, right? F. What is g? This is not g. This is g. Okay. Times x to the power of natural. Oh no. X times natural log of x minus x. Okay, cool. So, and then we minus the integral of g df, right? So what is g? G is x natural, what the fuck, x minus x, okay, and times du. So what is the df is 3x squared. I don't like this too much. I don't know if I can solve this actually. I to be honest, I just touched integration by part like 2 days ago, so I have no fucking clue if what I'm doing is the most optimal thing to do. But I mean, it's a good way to spend your Christmas for real. Anyways, so how the hell do you integrate this thing? Oh, okay. So I got it now. I don't know if this is a legal move. I don't know what the fuck is going on, but you see this thing right here? It's x squared times x natural x minus x, right? So theoretically, if we multiply this out, we have 3x cubed natural log of x minus 3x, right? So, and if we look at this thing right here, surprise Pikachu face. Oh no, actually, we should put the constant out first, because why not? And then this is x cubed natural log of x minus 3x cubed dx. Okay. So now if you look, this is what we're finding, right? So so we can just move it to the other side. Let me write the whole like left hand side out so it's less confusing. So integral of x cubed natural log of x. So we can just move this over here to simplify it, and we only have to integrate this with respect to x. So let's write it out a bit more so it's less confusing. So x cubed x natural log of x minus x minus 3 integral of x cubed natural log of x dx minus, right? Oh no, not minus, because minus is plus. So plus 3x cubed dx. Okay, cool. So we move this over here. So we have 4, right? 4. So the 3 is plus 3 if we move it to the left hand side. So 4 integral of x cubed natural log of x. Oh, don't forget the dx equals x cubed x natural log of x minus x. Okay, cool. And then we plus 3 integral of 3x cubed dx. Actually, we can just rewrite it as a 9x cubed dx. I just want to make everything clean, you know? Yeah. So we have this thing is equal to Yeah, so let's try integrating the last part and then we're all set. So minus x plus what is 9. This is, if you use the power rule, you should know the power rule by now, or you should visit the power rule video by Khan Academy or Third Build 1 Bell, I don't know, or just read a book. So it's x to the power of 4 over 4 plus c, don't forget the plus c. And to find this is 4, right? So you just divide by 4. So scrub this here and divide by 4 here, and then you divide everything by 4. Oh no, yeah, everything by 4 actually. So this is your answer right here. I hope that I'm correct. I'm gonna post this video regardless because I'm an evil motherfucker.